Every large galaxy has a monster at its center. A black hole millions of times heavier than the Sun, sitting exactly where the theory says it should be. We have checked this more than 100 times. Then one of them turned up in the wrong place. Here is the problem with black holes. You cannot see them. They only announce themselves when they eat. A star drifts too close, and gravity pulls harder on its near side than its far side. The near side is falling faster than the far side can follow. So the star is pulled long and thin, like putty between two hands. Then it stops being a star at all. Half the wreckage is thrown back out into space. The other half spirals in and burns brighter than every star in the galaxy combined. Astronomers call this a tidal disruption event. For any single galaxy, it happens about once every 100,000 years. We have caught roughly 100 of them in the last decade, and almost every one came from the dead center of its galaxy. Not most of them, very nearly every single one. So that became the rule. It was also the only place we were looking. In August 2024, a flare lit up in a galaxy a billion light years away. It was not in the middle. It sat 2,600 light years off to one side. That gap is the entire problem. A black hole that heavy should be pinned to the center by the weight of the whole galaxy. Nothing that massive is supposed to be out in the suburbs. There is an easy explanation for that. A smaller black hole inside a little satellite galaxy, orbiting the big one. Dwarf galaxies really do drift around bigger ones, and they bring their own black holes with them. So they went looking for the satellite. First for a cluster of stars wrapped around the flare, then for the faintest smudge of a companion galaxy anywhere near it. There was nothing there. No dwarf galaxy, no star cluster, just empty space around it. And the black hole weighed 1,000,000 suns. That is not a small black hole in a small galaxy. That is a giant with no home. The best explanation is that it used to have one. When two galaxies collide, the larger one wins. The smaller galaxy is pulled apart, and its stars are scattered into the bigger one. But the black hole at its heart is far too dense to tear apart. It survives the destruction of everything around it, and it keeps moving. This month, a team in North Carolina found a second one. Same signature, tens of thousands of light years from the center. One is an oddity, two is a population. There may be thousands of these drifting through galaxies right now. Silent, invisible, and impossible to find until one of them eats. We did not miss them because they were hiding. We missed them because the map told us to look at the center,